Welcome back to Phantastic Physics. Today I have another demonstration with the Van de Graaff generator. And remember, this is a machine that when I turn it on, it is going to start stripping electrons or negative charges out of this metal dome, leaving the overall charge of this dome very, very positive. So we're creating this very positively charged dome. And then sitting on top of it, I have a aluminum pie plate, which is also made of metal. So we have this aluminum sitting on top of the steel. I did tape it down a little bit so that the pie plate doesn't, move at all, or it might move a little bit. And inside of the pie plate, I have these little shredded bits of paper. So I just ran some paper through a shredder and dropped all those bits in here. And I'm gonna put this glove on to protect myself from electric shock because rubber is an excellent insulator. And I'm gonna go ahead and turn this machine on and we're gonna see what happens here. Okay, so you can probably see some of those bits are flying away. Sometimes it takes a minute for it to happen. And so yeah, there they go. Well, confetti party, right? And I think that if I had a more powerful machine, you'd see a more dramatic effect. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. And so why did this just happen? Why did these little bits of paper want to go flying? And the reason is this. This dome is very positive, remember? And these paper strips, they all start off neutral, just like most objects in the universe. That means they have positive and negative charges inside of them, but overall they have a charge of 0. They don't have more positives or more negatives, they have an equal amount. But they do have negatives, and they have enough to spare. So they're gonna start sending negative charges into this very positive dome. So we're gonna get this flow of electrons leaving the bits of paper. And what happens when an object gives away electrons? Well, now those bits of paper, they become positive themselves. So by donating a bunch of electrons to this dome, the bits of paper now have positive charges. And what happens when you have too many positive charges near each other? Well, they want to repel. Remember, like charges repel. So the electrons left the bits of paper, leaving them positive. That causes them to want to repel. And that's the reason why you see them shooting through the air the way you did. Thank you for watching Phantastic Physics. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more interesting physics content. Goodbye for now, and remember, it's a fantastic universe out there, so stay curious.